Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we will delve into a groundbreaking concept that is shaping the future of shopping artificial intelligence in e-commerce. Imagine a world where every shopping experience is personalized just for you, where your needs and desires are anticipated and catered to before you even click that buy button. That world is not far away. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already made significant strides in revolutionizing various industries, and now it's transforming the way we shop. E-commerce, which has already taken the world by storm, is ready to reach new heights with the power of AI. AI algorithms can analyze enormous amounts of data, your personal preferences, browsing history, and even online behavior, to provide you with tailored recommendations. No more sifting through endless product listings or wasting hours searching for that perfect item. AI will be your shopping genie, knowing exactly what you want and when you want it. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine having a virtual shopping assistant that knows your style, understands your fashion taste, and gives you instant fashion advice. With the help of AI-powered apps and virtual try-ons, you can try on clothes virtually before making a purchase. Say goodbye to the disappointment of ill-fitting clothes. AI is also bringing the expertise of personal shoppers right to your fingertips. These virtual stylists can curate outfits based on your body type, occasion, and personal preferences. It's like having your own 24/7 fashion consultant, ready to elevate your style game. And let's not forget the logistics of e-commerce. AI is helping streamline every step of the process, from order fulfillment to delivery. Autonomous robots powered by AI technology can work tirelessly in warehouses, ensuring faster and more efficient order processing. Say goodbye to waiting weeks for your packages. So, what does the future hold for AI in e-commerce? The possibilities are vast. Imagine stepping into a virtual store, walking through aisles and interacting with products through holograms. AI will make this immersive shopping experience a reality, blurring the lines between brick and mortar and online shopping. The future of shopping is here, powered by artificial intelligence. From personalized recommendations and virtual stylists to autonomous robots and immersive experiences, AI is set to transform the way we shop forever. Thank you for joining us today on this glimpse into the future of shopping. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. Together, let's embrace the thrilling possibilities that AI brings to our world.